everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I was actually trying to figure out what kind of deals that I wanted to do at CVS, but I did end up having a good haul. Not the greatest haul that I've done in the past, but I think for what I got, I think is a pretty good deal. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, as long as you guys know this, I have two cards. The reason why I have two cards is because I like to show you guys as many deals as possible. There are times where I do the same deal on each card, but you know, I'm trying to show you guys as many things as possible, but I really try not to. The only time I really do is when there's like free toothpaste involved. But I know a lot of you guys have two cards. I've even seen one person have 11, which I think is a little extreme, but yeah. So what I ended up doing is I had both $2 digital coupons for the Crest toothpaste. Now these are on sale for $2. You guys want to use that digital coupon that we have on the app. So you guys would end up paying $1, but then you guys will get $1 back ECB, extra care buck, making these absolutely free. This is actually my favorite toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. So wanted to show you guys the Crest toothpaste deal. Now I always say you should always go free when it comes to toothpaste. That's the time to get toothpaste. Now, I did do the Colgate toothpaste deal also, but I did it in two different scenarios. So the deal that they have right now is the toothpaste is on sale for $3.50. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. Plus there is a $2 off 50-cent red box coupon that is printed off, so you guys will get this absolutely free. So wanted to share with you guys on that. But then with my other card, I had a 4 off of 14 Colgate CRT. So what I ended up doing is doing the Colgate toothpaste deal also. And then I bought 2 Colgate mouthwashes. Now these are $3.99. I used 2 of those $1 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. And then I bought a Colgate toothbrush for that was $3.99. There's no coupons for these. So you guys use that. You use the 3 $1 off coupons, the $1 and the $1 and the $1. And then I had the $2.50 off red box coupon, and then I also had that 4 off of 14. So you guys would end up paying $5.97 for all 4 of these items, but then you guys will get $2, $2, and $2 back in an ECB, making it free or like a 3-cent moneymaker. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal in case you guys have that CRT that you wanted to use. So definitely wanted to try that deal. I wanted to do the speed stick deal, but I didn't have any more of those coupons left. I have one lying around here somewhere, but it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. You know, these deals repeat itself all the time, so wasn't hurting on that. But I ended up getting the mascara, the Maybelline mascara. This is called Snapscara, so basically you put it on and then it like peels off really well. I don't know, it sounds kind of weird, but this one is $7.79. And the eyeshadow, that was $3.99, and I just realized that they upped the price to $4.19. So it went up 20 cents. But most of your stores should still have it as $3.99, so I'm going to still say $3.99, you guys. But you guys want to use a $3 off mascara coupon and a $1 off coupon that we just got in the past Sunday's paper. I have that 3 off a CRT that we got from last week. You guys would pay $4.78 for this. If your store is $4.19, then technically you guys would pay $4.98 for this. But then you guys will get $5 ECB when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to either be a 22-cent moneymaker or a 2-cent moneymaker. So still absolutely free for the both of those. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Now I did the Cadbury egg, and if you guys have been watching my videos, especially Walgreens, I've been craving Cadbury eggs, and that's why I did this twice with both cards. Now these are on sale for 99 cents. We did get a 74-cent off Redbox coupon that you could use for a couple different things, but right now, like I said, I'm craving the Cadbury eggs, so I ended up using that 74-cent off coupon. So these come out to be a quarter, which is a pretty good deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. The Palmolive dish soap, these are just regular 99, or I think they're on sale for 99 cents. We got the 25-cent off Redbox coupon, so you guys would just get this for 74 cents. I do use Palmolive. I don't know why, but I like the Dawn better. I like the scents of Dawn, but Palmolive still does a pretty good job, so I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now I did the diaper deal. So what you guys want, these are 2 for $10, but I ended up buying 3 of them. So I bought 1 Huggies. This was $10. I used a $2 off coupon for this. And then I had 2 Pampers, or 2 pull-ups. I wish my store didn't have another size of this, but I have a friend who, her son really needs these, so I wish they had the bigger size, but they only had just the one. So I got the girl pull-ups also. So these are 2 for $20 also. So you guys want to use $2 off coupons that are on the coupons.com site. I also had a 3 off of 15 CRT that you guys can use. So buying all 3 of them, you guys would pay $21 for diapers. I know it's a little expensive. But then you guys will get $10 back when you spend $30. And then you guys can submit $2 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. So that's $4 back what you guys would get for Ibotta. Comes out to be just $7 or just $2.33 a piece. Now you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get bonus points. And if you guys have little ones and you want to, you can join the Huggies reward system. You just scan your receipts and you guys get points. And I've already gotten like 1 free thing for Huggies, and now with me having a baby again, I'm definitely gonna start submitting those receipts. So definitely do that if you guys are interested in diapers. So I got these for me. So we got that. Now I did the Irish Spring deal in 2 different scenarios with 2 different cards. So they have it where they are $3.99 a piece. If you buy 3, you get $5 ECB. So what I ended up doing is I got the body wash. These are $3.99. I used 3 $1 off coupons. I also had a 2 off of 8 body washes bar soap CRT. You guys would pay $6.97 for all 3 of these, but then you guys will get $5 back, making it $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece. So I ended up doing it that way, but then I saw that the bar of soap is on sale too. Now, I'm sick of getting body wash. Like, I got so much Irish Spring body wash, it's ridiculous. So the bars of soap were actually on sale too, and my husband uses this stuff, so we got the Irish Spring soap, same situation. So if you guys get, the soap or the body wash, you guys can mix and match. Also, comes out to be a great deal. Those come out to be 65 cents. 65 cents, and then there's 6 of them in here. That comes out to be like literally, 11 cents a piece for a bar of soap. That is a great deal. And then I also did the Herbal Essence and the Head and Shoulder deal. Now, the Herbal Essence is 2 for $12, and then the Head and Shoulders are 2 for $10. Now, I had a digital coupon off for 3 off of 2 for the Head and Shoulders, and then I had a digital coupon for 6 off of 2 for the Herbal Essence. I also had a CRT for 2 off of 6 for the Herbal Essence and a $2.50 off of the Head and Shoulders. So you guys buy all 4 of them, you guys would pay $8.50. You guys will get a $5 ECB, making it $3.50 or just 87 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal because these are like more of the higher end shampoos and conditioners. So if you guys can get this for 87 cents, I think that is a pretty good deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. My husband uses the Head and Shoulders. That's his favorite stuff. So we got that. But yes, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I had a little problems at the registers because what I have to do is I have to scan the product, scan the coupon, scan the product, scan the coupon. And like it does that sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So it took us a little while to get it all figured out, but everything came out all right. So my total came to $12.92 for everything. I usually when I go shopping, I only bring like a $20 bill with me, and that's all I pay. If I have to pay more, I have to pay more. But that's what I usually try to pay is like $20 between Walgreens and CVS. But Walgreens, I just ended up just doing it all at once just because it was easier. But I ended up using $43 of ECBs. I ended up getting $38 back. So I did lose some, but hey, you know what? I still got a pretty good deal. I got $4 back with Ibotta for the pull-ups. So my grand total technically came to $13.92. I got 25 items for 55 cents a piece. I will take it. I mean, how often can you buy 3 packs of diapers for $13.92? Not very often. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.